Hi, my name's Alastair and I'm going to talk about the action that I built for the GitHub hackathon. The action that I built is called TODO to issue, and it does what it says on the tin really. It converts newly added to-do comments in your code to GitHub issues when you push a commit. So to-dos are a convenient way to write down tasks and things that you need to look at as you're coding, but I found that they can get a bit unwieldy when they start to build up, and they can sometimes get isolated in your IDE and not visible to others. So I really just wanted to try and come up with a way of tracking and managing them better, of avoiding unnecessary duplication, re-entering things again, and generally just trying to improve the visibility of the issues that we need to look at, not just for me, but for any collaborators. I saw the hackathon advertised on Twitter and hadn't taken part in one before. I thought it sounded like fun. I hadn't used GitHub Actions before either, and after looking into it a little bit, it seemed like a way of being able to develop quite a rapid solution to the problem that I'd been thinking about. And when I added in GitHub issues to the mix, it all just seemed to click together and make sense, so I decided to build something. In terms of how the action works, the first line of the comment is set as the issue title, and any subsequent lines are added to the body of the issue. It also attaches a code snippet containing the to-do, tries to highlight it correctly based on the language, and it also attaches a link to the line in the file where the to-do is. Finally, if you remove a to-do comment and push a commit, it'll try and close the associated issue and post a link to the commit where the issue was closed. If you don't use the keyword to-do in your coding, I've added the option to change that to something else in the workflow file. I do quite a bit of Python development and use the keyword to-do quite a lot, but if you use another language, there's the option to change that so the action can work for you. In terms of how it's benefited me, I can now see areas of my code a lot better that need attention. It's given me generally a better overview of things and better visibility of things that I need to be looking at. GitHub issues is a great way of doing that. It's tried and tested, and it just seems to fit this quite well. It's still early days, but I'm hoping that it's going to streamline my workflow quite a bit and just generally make my life easier, really. In terms of the future of the action, I've already changed the action quite a bit since I first started working on it. It's gone through a few iterations and I've improved it based on suggestions from other users. I didn't really expect it to get as much attention as it has, but if others keep suggesting improvements, I'll try my best to look at them. And at the very least, the action is still a pre-production release, so I'm hoping to put out a production-ready version soon after a bit more testing. But that's my action to do to issue. Thanks very much.